I'm Contractor with Florida Home Improvement Associates. We originally met with this homeowner several months ago. We entered into a contract to do her roofing system and she changed her mind. She ultimately went with another contractor, and that's when the horror story started. She had a really bad experience, and after several months of dealing with the contractor and a roof that's unfinished, she asked us to come out and take a look at the problem and see what we can do to address it. Mrs. Romo, we met several months ago and we originally decided to go with Florida Home Improvements to do this project. And then unfortunately you had a change of heart and you had some experiences since then. What did that process and why did you make the decision to go with another contractor?
I already had a contract with FHA, but someone that we didn't know about, they apparently called my husband and kind of tricked him. And they were able to get in my house and start trying to convince us to change. And the only reason why we changed was because at that moment they were offering us a little bit of less monthly payment. Due to the fact that I lost my job, my husband thought that was a good idea at that moment. But when they started coming to my house and they didn't have the supplies, they didn't have ladders, they didn't have trucks, he just found it really strange. They put on bad wood. The fascia that goes around the house was damaged. They took a wood off the house on a Thursday. On a Friday, they didn't come over. So it rained. The water went inside my house and all that area got ruined. And all this time, they never came back. It stayed like that. Just make sure people are aware that there's a lot of scammers out there and they'll trick you to come to your house and you don't even know where they came from.
Unfortunately, Lizzie's experience is not unique to her and her family. So many South Florida homeowners really want a good project and really want a reliable contractor, but sometimes make the wrong decision based on price or payment. So when we're making this decision, really go with your gut and go with the company that you know is going to do the best job for you. Thankfully, Lizzie found us and we're going to take care of all this for her, and she's going to be really proud of her roofing system and she's going to be really happy with how everything turns out.
From our family to yours
And everyone at Florida Home Improvement Associates, we wanted to wish you a
happy holidays!
Thank you, Tat. Wishing you and your family a very happy holiday season as well.